If you've ever spent hours on a PowerPoint presentation only to find that it won't save, you know the panic it can cause. Don't worry, there's a simple way to rescue your work before it's lost forever. The first thing you need to do is open a completely new blank presentation in PowerPoint. This gives you a safe place to transfer your slides. Next, go back to your original presentation, the one that won't save, and select all the slides. You can do this quickly by clicking on the first slide, holding down the Shift key, and selecting the last slide. Once all your slides are selected, copy them, then switch to the new presentation and paste them in. This step essentially creates a fresh version of your work, free from the glitches that were preventing PowerPoint from saving. Now it's time to save your rescued presentation. Click on File, then Save As, and choose a new location, like your desktop, to make it easy to find. Keep the file name simple. Avoid special characters or overly long names, as these can sometimes cause issues with saving. After this, your presentation should save without any problem. This method works because creating a new presentation and copying your slides over removes any hidden issues in the original file. It's a quick and reliable way to make sure your hard work isn't lost, even if PowerPoint decides to misbehave. So next time PowerPoint refuses to save, remember this trick. Open a new presentation, copy your slides, and save it somewhere safe. It's simple, fast, and could save you hours of frustration.